What's up, Underdogs? Welcome to another episode of Full Court Dreams, the Underdawgs Voice. We up in this building today. Hey, and today, guess what we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about those old resolutions for next year. New Year coming up. So, this is what I'm going to do. Today, Underdogs, let me hit you with the hard truth. I'm going to hit you with the hard truth. So, most New Year's resolutions don't last past February, right? That's right. All those big plans that you have, hit the gym, crush practice, finally achieve your goals, gone faster than the holiday leftovers. But here's the thing. It don't got to be that way. It doesn't have to be that way. 2025 can be the year that you break that cycle. The year you finally crush your goals and become the athlete, parent, or coach you always wanted to be. And today, I'm going to give you that playbook to set goals that stick and build real momentum and make this the best year ever. 2025 is going to be legit for you. All right? So let's get it. Here's the deal. Why most resolutions fail? Most resolutions fail because they're too vague. Like, I want to get better. What does that even mean? Right? Without a clear focus, it's impossible to track progress. Right? Another big problem is there's no plan. You have no plan. Saying you want to improve is great. But how are you going to do that? And let's not forget about accountability. Without someone or something keeping you in check, you know what's going to happen. It's going to be way too easy for you to put everything behind you and fall back into your old habits. Right? But don't let those common mistakes discourage you. Because I got you. Right? Failing resolutions aren't signs that you're lazy or unmotivated. They're a sign that you just have to have a better strategy. That's it. And trust me, I got the blueprint to help you turn it all around. I'm your guy. So, we're going to build a winning game plan for 2025. So get ready. I'm going to give you a second to get your pens and your paper because you might want to write this down. 1. You should already have it. Love you guys. The key to crushing your goals this year is simple. Have you ever heard of SMART goals? I'm sure a lot of you athletes have heard of that. If you're in school, I'm sure a lot of you parents may have heard of that. SMART goals. And no, it's not just throwing buzzwords at you. I'm not just doing that. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So, here's what that looks like in real life. Now, instead of saying, I want to improve, try, I want to increase my shooting accuracy by 15% by March. That's more specific and measurable, right? And it gives you a deadline to work towards. So remember that, right? The trick is to challenge yourself, but keep it realistic. We don't want no real blown out goals like, And it gives you a deadline. I mean, and it helps you focus. My bad. Focus on goals that matters to your growth, not nobody else's, to your growth. Not just goals that just sound good on paper. Right? Don't forget to set a timeline. That really matters. All right. Without urgency, your goals will stay just that. They was goals, not achievements. Just goals. So, smart goals are the foundation, but the real magic happens when and how you execute those goals. That's when the real magic happens. So let's talk about how athletes, parents, and coaches, how you can use this formula to win in 2025. All right, athletes, this one for you. This is the athletes playbook for 2025. Athletes, if you're listening, this is your year to shine. But it's not going to happen by accident. You're not going to trip over a rock, fall above your head, and be a superstar overnight. So, this is what you do. You pick one skill that matters. Got it? This year, whether it's becoming a better shooter, improving your defensive game, or boosting your endurance. Set fitness targets that push you out of your comfort zone. Nothing changes if you stay in your comfort zone. You will not get better. You will not achieve your goals. Got it? Like shaving time off of your mile or increase your vertical jump, something like that. Like if you run a mile in 7 minutes, try to run a mile in 6 minutes, right? Make that one of your goals. And don't forget about the mental game, because that we tend to lack in the mental part of the game, right? Because we don't think about it enough. We don't think about it. We think it's not important. And it is. It's more important than what you think. Remember what they say. Sports are 90% mental, 10% physical. Right? So develop a champion mindset. Right? It is just as important as physical training. Start journaling your progress. Right? Visualize your goals daily and embrace challenges and opportunities to grow. Embrace them. So when you focus on consistent, smart effort, success is inevitable. And I said that wrong. Success is basically guaranteed. I'm gonna say that instead. I get a little tongue twisted. That's me. That's Coach Q. All right, so athletes, it's not about working hard, right? It's all about working smarter. So let's shift gears to the parents. Don't run away. Parents, bring your tail right back here, and you're going to listen to this. Don't worry about it. It's nothing bad. I'm going to help you out. We're going to do this together. I'm a parent too. We're going to do this together, parents. All right. The good news is, parents, you're the MVP. Right? You drive them around, you take them place in tournaments and everything. You buy them this, you pay all this money to travel and stuff. So parents, you're the MVP behind the scenes, right? Your support can make or break your athlete, though. It can make or break their success. And 2025 is the perfect time to level up your game. Instead of focusing on the scoreboard, focus on their effort and growth. Right? Celebrate little wins. Like their hustle and practice if you go to their practice, or their commitment to just improvement. Like, celebrate this. If your athlete is out there setting goals and achieving them, celebrate that moment with them. Educate yourself about the sport. Moms, you don't watch basketball. You're not, real basketball, soccer, baseball savvy, whatever you kids playing, right? Educate yourself more. Know why they're going through what they're going through. Know why they're going through what they're going through on and off the court. It can make you become a better cheerleader, right? And an advocate. They can also help you advocate with your kid. And teach them how to advocate for themselves also. And here's the big one. Create balance. Help your athletes set a schedule that includes rest, very important, school, very important, and time just to be a kid. Like, don't make this a job for them. Trust me, it ain't gonna work out. So, when parents prioritize growth and joy over perfection, they set the tone for a successful year. Now, let's bring it all together. We're gonna bring it all together, y'all. Here we go. We're gonna bring it all together. Love you guys for sticking around. Right? We're gonna bring it all together. I know y'all want to do this. We're gonna bring it together. So, here's how we're going to crush 2025 together. We're going to crush it together. together, y'all. My wife just bought me a journal, so I got a journal. I'm not just talking, I'm doing it. So this is how we're going to press 2025. We're going to write our goals down and make them visible, right? I got a vision board over there right now. You can't see it, but I do. I have a vision board. See them daily, right? It's a reminder of what you're working towards when you set your goals daily, right? Break your big goals down into smaller, actionable steps. Something you can tackle every week, right? Or even every day, right? Track your progress. Whether it's an app journal, a giant whiteboard in your room, find a way to measure how far you come. And don't forget about accountability. Share your goals with someone who will push you, a team, a coach, your parent, a cousin, whatever, to stay on track. Right? And finally, celebrate your wins. Celebrate those big wins, man. Nothing wrong with celebrating the big win. You hit a goal, hey, mom, can I go out to the movies? I hit my goal. Parents, help them celebrate, parents. Every step forward is progress. Every step forward is progress. And progress is what they'll champion. And that's what we want to become. Not only champions on the court, but also champions off the court. Alright, y'all. Thank you for sticking around. Listen, Underdogs, 2025 isn't just another year. It's your year. Your year, young man. Your year, young woman. Your year, mom. Your year, dad. Right? It's not just another year. It's your year. Stop making excuses. Start making moves. Whether you're an athlete, a parent, a coach, the time to level up is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It will never happen. It doesn't exist. Trust me, I know. When I started this, I just said I'm going to do it. So start. Don't start tomorrow. Don't start next week. Don't even start now. Start NOW. Now. Got it? All right. And here's what I want you to do for me. Take one step forward towards your goals right after this episode. Share your goals with me on my Instagram or in the comments below or this video. And let's hold each other accountable. Right? DM me, I'm gonna hold you accountable. I'm gonna ask you, what goals have you reached today? You can ask me the same thing. Right? We're gonna hold each other accountable. We're gonna do this together. We're gonna make 2025 big. And also, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for more tips and motivation to keep you going, because there's a lot of them. All right. So I really appreciate y'all, my lovely audience. I really appreciate your parents. I really appreciate your kids. So thank you for tuning in to the Underdawgs Voice podcast. And I'm Coach Q. Happy New Year. Let's hit it. Let's get it. And I'm out.